Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. Are you getting the VAN79 error in Valorant? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall Riot Vanguard and fix the problem. Let's get started. First, completely close Valorant and Riot Client. Make sure there are no Riot Client or Valorant processes running in the background. Also exit Riot Vanguard from the system tray. Now open Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Find Riot Vanguard in the list. Right-click on it. Select Uninstall. Follow the steps to remove Vanguard from your PC. Once Vanguard has been uninstalled, open Riot Client. Launch Valorant. Riot Client should detect that Vanguard is missing. It should ask you to install Riot Vanguard again. Install Vanguard. Once the installation is complete, open Windows Search. Search for Services. Open the Services app. Find VGC in the list. Right-click on it. Select Properties. Make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now restart your PC. After your PC starts, open Valorant again. Check if the VAN79 error is fixed. This reinstalls Vanguard and makes sure the VGC service starts correctly. If you're still getting the error, let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.